Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a waffle drawing. First, gather your materials, paper, a ruler, and a pencil. Begin by drawing a square grid, perhaps 10 by 10 cells, creating 100 small squares. This grid forms the foundation of your waffle drawing, representing a whole or a total of 100 units. This initial step is crucial for clear data visualization. Now, let's fill your grid. Each small square can represent 1% or 1 unit of your data. For example, if you're showing 75%, color in 75 squares. Use different colors to represent distinct categories or groups within your data. Ensure your coloring is neat and consistent across the entire grid for easy interpretation. To make your waffle drawing truly effective, add a clear legend. This explains what each color or symbol represents. Include a concise title at the top, describing the data being visualized. You might also add labels to specific sections if needed. A simple border around your entire drawing can give it a professional and finished appearance. For maximum impact, keep your waffle drawing simple and uncluttered. Avoid too many colors or complex patterns that might confuse your audience. A consistent color scheme, perhaps 3 to 5 distinct colors, works best. Remember, the goal is clear communication. With a little practice, you'll be creating impactful waffle drawings in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.